Basic affiliate marketing tips anyone can use. Affiliate marketing can be a lucrative way to earn an extra income at home. However, it is more than just throwing together a website. There are things that you should do in order to become successful in affiliate marketing. Here are some tips to set you on the right path. An important part of affiliate marketing is choosing a quality product to market. Any recommendation that you make, online or offline, is a reflection on your character. If you're recommending shoddy products or shady services, your site visitors are going to assume you're just another con artist and ignore future marketing attempts. Remember that as an affiliate, it is only your job to drive someone to a company's product. It is not your job to sell the product. If you attempt to sell the product and advertise it at the same time, you may end up losing more commissions than you gain. Allow the company to do the selling. One great way to always stay ahead of the game in affiliate marketing is to be among the first people to advertise a newly released product. To stay ahead of the game and to promote products before the market becomes saturated, check out various large companies, like ClickBank, and find out about new products. Make sure that the affiliate company that you are joining uses cookie tracking. This is a great way for them to credit you the sales that you are due. This will really benefit you because it will track all of the orders and you will receive the money that you are owed. Make sure that content on affiliate marketing websites are written in the proper language. If your site targets mostly visitors from the UK, have content written in the Queen's English. Also, make sure that word usage and sentence structure are correct. Content that is in badly written English turns potential customers away, especially UK customers. A great affiliate marketing tip is to be honest about affiliations. If you try to sneak in affiliate ads, you might lose the trust of your visitors. They might even go out of their way to prevent you from getting your referral credit. It's much better to be honest about your affiliations. If you're ready to take the plunge into affiliate marketing, be cautious about what company you choose to work for. There are many illegitimate companies out there just trying to make a quick buck off of the unwary. If the company doesn't have a valid street address and telephone number and wants to conduct business only through email, you're better off avoiding it. This system makes it very easy for the company to abscond with any money you have invested in the venture, as well as any money you've earned. You can see that it takes a bit of learning, in order to become a successful affiliate marketer. The suggestions described here are just some of the things that you should know and apply to your business. If you keep gaining knowledge and are willing to work hard on your business, you will become successful. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or no SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google and ranking system. 2. Finds untapped, buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days, and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, You will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.